Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel Rohithtech. In today's video we are going to review our Ola S1 Pro, which is a fully electric bike. And nowadays there is a lot of demand on electric vehicles, so I'm gonna show you the full review of this bike within 5 to 6 minutes. So before starting a video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start our video. So before starting our video, let's go for a walk around. So this is how the Ola S1 Pro looks like. A classic and simple classic design which gives a premium finish, and how actually it looks. And you have different modes on the left side, reverse mode and headlights and turning indicators, and you can see the display of 7-inch display. On the right side of the handle you can see power on button, power music, pause, play and rewind button. With this button you can even open your boot, and the boot space is around 36 liters of capacity. You can easily carry 2 half helmets in Ola S1 Pro boot, and which is really a big storage one. And you can just don't need to have any lock. You just need to press on the back side of that, open the charging socket, and you can just click on this to lock it. And these are the 2 Bluetooth speakers which you can connect to the operating system of Ola S1 Pro. And this is the hook and footrest which goes totally inside. A neat finishing look. And this is the screen looks like, and this is the phone to connect the Bluetooth, and this is the navigation button. The crazy thing in this navigation button is you can actually navigate wherever you want, even in offline. And if you go to the settings button, you can see the distance traveled, average speed, and also the top speed ever you have charged. And you can see the 89% of charging, and the bottom left you can see how much far it in the 89% charging can go. You can have a different modes in this: eco mode, normal mode, sports mode and hyper mode. Eco mode you can go up to 0 to 45 speed limit, and normal mode you can go to 0 to 80, and sports you can go 0 to 95, and in hyper mode you can go to the top speed of 115 kilometers per hour. In the hyper mode, this Ola S1 Pro provides a lot of power, where if you give a single acceleration, then it takes the front wheel to go for a wheelie. That much of power this Ola S1 Pro provides. And this is how the looks like of the trip. You have reached 2 kilometers after the full charge, and this is the location of the maps. You can just connect, and you can even offline the map you want. LED lamps which looks pretty good. You can even turn on with high beam and low beam. And this is the single tire, and this is the single fork suspension on the front side. And this is really a new invention from Ola S1 Pro, and this is also looks pretty good from the front side. And this is the tire looks like, and this is a really good one, and gives a premium look and also a classic look. And this is the turning indicators of Ola S1 Pro, and this is the another footrest which looks pretty good. And on the rear side you have a monoshock suspension. On these are the tail lamps, and on the front and back side you have a hydraulic disc. And Ola claims that in single charge it will reach around 181 kilometers of range, and the max of torque is 58 Nm of torque. Normal Activas provide a 10 to 20 Nm of torque, but this Ola S1 Pro provides 58 Nm of torque, which is really good. And the charging time is 6 hours 30 minutes on full charge, and battery capacity is 33.97 kilowatt per hour, and the motor power is 8500 watts, and the fast charging time 18 minutes is around 75 kilometers per hour. This is really good, and on the roads this actually looks pretty good. And when you drive this Ola S1 Pro on roads, the each and every single person turns and looks around you, and even many off the screen many members asked me about this price range and details about this. The price range is around 1,39,999 rupees only, and no maintenance, and is also eco-friendly. So let me know in the comment section of your opinion on this Ola S1 Pro. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.